Ano ba?
The beauty beyond expectation. The beauty of nature that surrounds with mansions. Lala. Lalala. Sailing. We were sailing to the darkness.
Look at the birds on the water.
Forever sailing
Oh, they floating.
to the radio.
Get the bird.
To be free.
To get the bird? No, they're aloof to the human.
What?
They're
Palengke
aloof.
lang.
Don't go there.
Kain naman. Relaxing and chill.